quite a strange interaction with, I think, an actual policeman, not a traffic policeman. He was looking through my passport, normal, but he appeared to be having difficulty finding my stamp, and he was quite grumpy. And then he made a call, and then he said sorry and handed me the passport back and smiled. Strange. Anyway, good morning. Beautiful sunrise. The wind is gone, but so is the rain. I'm also planning 120 kilometers today, but now I have to actually pedal it all instead of just getting blown along. Check it out, this bread is so hot. Can you see the steam coming off it?
Single?
Naam, and a wahed.
Your family member?
In England.
England?
In Giltra, Naam. I've been handed a phone about backpacking in Pakistan. I want to go to Pakistan so bad.
Yes, you.
That's me.
Oh.
Time to go. I've got a Dubai party from the restaurant. Well, that was a very memorable send-off. They were all so excited that I'm a YouTuber, and then all so disappointed that I only had 1,000 subscribers. So just so that I don't disappoint any more Pakistani restaurateurs, if you could please hit the subscribe button, not for my benefit, you understand, just to avoid disappointment for others in the future. Thanks, hit the subscribe button, thank you. Being followed again. I saw a white car follow me yesterday, but only a couple of times that it stopped behind me. I thought it was maybe unrelated, that they were Snapchatting me. But here we are again. I'm calling the police. I'm calling the police. I'm looking for the police, but what I found is 2 camels. Yes, police station. You're kidding, it's closed. It is 10:10 in the morning right now. Just made my very first phone call to the police in my entire life. I can't believe it's come to this. Not half an hour later and my police escort is back. Incidentally, the woman I spoke to on 911 was very kind, efficient, spoke perfect English. I have only good things to say about the Saudi police.
But the nice traffic policeman didn't stay for many kilometres, and before long I was on my own again. At a servo stop I found the white car waiting for me, so chased it around the block a couple of times, so technically I became the stalker at this point.
Check it out. Disappearing off through the sand. How sus is this behaviour? Look at him sitting there in the middle of the desert in a knock 4-wheel drive, watching me as I call 911 to report him for the second time. Don't have time for this. Go backwards down the highway while he reverses away from me. This suspect behaviour. There he goes. Gonna stop for a quick servo break, but first of all I need to do a lap of the perimeter to see if 5170 is still following me. Quite the day. Yeah, I just saw the same car. So I can back now. Wait. Yep. Unbelievable. They've obviously been waiting for me just outside the servo. I saw them pull back in, and I've watched them go that way. And I've just had to send a message to friends in Saudi Arabia and family at home that I'm being followed by this registration number and that the police have been contacted, just in case things go really ridiculous. Again, I think it's vigilante protection that I have not agreed or consented to in any way. Just what I need. I'm pretty proud of myself here. I've marked which side is which on the tube and the tyre, and I found the puncture around here at the same place as I've marked on the tyre that I think the culprit is. There's nothing left on the inside, so I guess it's just punctured and gone. It's not still in the tyre. Yeah, I got him back on without using the levers, which I never used to be able to do to save my life. And then I'd use the levers, then I'd give myself another puncture. I've blooming done it! Touch wood, inshallah. Okay, come on. Awesome, looks like I need new brake pads while I'm in here as well. Yes, definitely time for a new set of brake pads. I will get rid of the old one, of course, but I'll keep this not so bad one in case of emergencies. With the belt attached. Brake pad in, yes. Roll off black box back on. I used to struggle with that so badly. Stop the clock! I did it in 59 minutes. If that, I mean, that's it's not Formula 1 time, but if that is successfully a repaired puncture, then that is my greatest achievement of all time. Under an hour, come on! Been safe from the traffic, but I've had to keep moving my bike around these sand barriers. Here he goes again, on a closed road. Such sketchy behaviour. I was considering staying in this empty servo here, but obviously I cannot because this car persists in following me.
150 kilometres and over a day since I first spotted him, I clocked the car outside the hotel I was checking into. I'm in contact with the police. They've been awesome. Now that I'm in the hotel and I have Wi-Fi, WhatsApp, I will get a SIM card to be in better contact. Here's my nice hotel room. They're going to send me a patrol car in the morning, but actually maybe I'm just going to stay in bed tomorrow. This hotel is quite affordable and I could use the rest while they go and capture my stalker.